Okay, hello everyone. This video is to address this five question from Raul, and this is talking about why is it negative? Why is it negative? The it's for all of these questions. I guess this is referring to entropy change. Yeah. So number one will be why is entropy change negative? Why is entropy change positive? And blah 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 and blah blah blah. So again, to address that, we have to begin with the definition of entropy change is entropy product minus entropy reactant. Entropy itself refers to disorderness or dispersal or distribution of energy in the molecules. So um, why is it negative and why is it positive? According to this is a simple mathematical equations. If you have the S product higher than S reactant, if you do this mathematical operation, this is higher, this is lower, obviously the enthalpy change will be positive. The other way around, if the S product is lower than the S reactant, it will be negative. So it's just that if you put in here 5 and this is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1 positive. But if you do the other way around, 4 minus 5, this is negative. Now, that's why this is negative and or positive. But then, what does it mean actually, negative and positive? So, the level of disorderness, the more disorder, the more complex of a molecules, that will give you higher value of entropy. Okay, so if the molecule is simple and the amount of them is just a few molecules, the disorderness level is also lower. So like for example, this reaction PCl5 and then PCl3 and then Cl2, all of them are in gas state. But then in the reactant you only have one molecule in total, one PCl5. In the product you have PCl3 one molecules and then Cl2 one molecule. In total there are two molecules in the product. So one molecule in the reactant, two molecules in the product, you will expect that two molecules will create more disorderness than only one molecules. So this creating the entropy of the product higher than entropy of the reactant. So if you do the enthalpy change, this is going to result in a positive entropy change, because entropy of the product is higher than reactant. So okay, why is it negative? That's because the entropy of the product is lower than entropy of the reactant. Why is it positive when molecule in the reactant is bigger compared to the product? Why is it positive when the molecule in the reactant is bigger when compared to the product? Okay. What? Bigger. I'm assuming you refer to the amount of coefficient, yeah. So let's say the molecule in the reactant bigger. So in the reactant bigger, that's not that's not positive. That's going to be negative. Why? Because if the molecule in the reactant bigger, entropy, the amount of molecule is bigger, it means entropy of the reactant is also bigger. If the entropy reactant bigger, you put in these equations, yeah, you're going to have negative because the reactant is bigger than the product. I'm assuming that you are talking about coefficient of the in, yeah. So in this case, let's say probably which one ya? Nah, this one B kan. Ini reactant is bigger than the product because in the reactant 3 plus 1 is 4 and then this is only 2. So reactant is bigger amount than product. In this case, this is going to be entropy of the reactant higher than entropy of the product. If that the case, then if you put into these equations, this is bigger than this one, the entropy change will be negative, not positive. So let's see the answer key B. B is negative, see? That's negative, not positive. So your question in here, if the reactant bigger, it's not positive but it's negative. Number 3, why is it negative when the molecule in the product is bigger compared to the product? I think you must type in here, yeah. Why is it negative when the molecule in the product is bigger compared to the product? Mungkin compared to the reactant. If this is compared to the reactant, the molecule of the product bigger, that's going to be creating positive, not negative. Remember, entropy change is product minus reactant. If the product is bigger than the reactant, then it's going to be positive. Product is bigger, ya. Let's find product is bigger. Product is bigger. This one, CE, for example. This one 3 plus 4, 7. This one 5 plus 1, 6. So 7 and 6, product is bigger than the reactant. Product is bigger than reactant. So entropy product will be also bigger. If the entropy product bigger, so put in here, this is bigger than this one, the entropy change will be positive. So let's see the answer key of E. See, E is positive. Okay. So if number 3 questions rephrase to become, why is it negative when the molecule of the product is bigger than the reactant, for example this one? So it's not negative, it's positive. Why is it positive when the molecule in the reactant is bigger than the product? Why is it? It's the same thing, yeah. It's, you go ahead, if the number of molecule is bigger, entropy will be bigger. So which side it's going to be, that's just put it into these equations and you're good to go. Why positive one? Why is it positive when the molecule of the reactant is bigger than the product? Again, like for example, if the molecule of the reactant is bigger, okay, entropy of the reactant will be bigger. If you put it in here, this one is bigger than the product. Small minus big is going to be negative, not positive. So yeah, I hope you can have a help from this video. Thanks guys.